Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. Are you tired of messy countertops and oil spills in your kitchen? Say goodbye to the chaos because today, we're diving into the top 5 best oil dispensing bottles that'll make cooking cleaner, healthier, and way more fun. From 2-in-1 sprayers to elegant glass designs, these oil bottles are not just functional, they're game changers. Whether you're grilling, sautéing, or tossing a salad, these picks will have you cooking like a pro in no time. And the best part? We've made it easy for you. All the product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out and grab your favorite. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. TrendPlain Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Meet the TrendPlain 16-ounce olive oil dispenser bottle, the superhero your kitchen never knew it needed. This nifty gadget isn't just an oil dispenser, it's also an oil sprayer. Need a mist for your salad or a steady stream for your stir-fry? Done. It's like having a culinary magic wand. The nozzle design is genius. Press quickly for a fine mist or slowly for a smooth stream. Each spray gives just 0.15 g of oil, so you won't accidentally drown your veggies in oil. Your diet will thank you, and so will your air fryer. Made of odor-free, heat-resistant glass, it's as sturdy as it is safe. And don't worry about breaking it. This bottle can handle your cooking chaos. Plus, with lifetime support, you can cook stress-free, knowing TrendPlain has your back. Because, let's face it, a kitchen without this is like a salad without dressing. Just plain sad. Number 2. Leaflai Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Say hello to the Leaflai Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle set, the stylish duo your kitchen deserves. These two lead-free glass bottles are not just eco-friendly but also see-through. So no more mistaking vinegar for cola, we've all been there. With a 17-ounce capacity, they're perfectly sized for your cooking adventures, indoors or at a picnic. The stainless steel pourers? Chef's kiss. They keep your oil flowing smoothly while sealing out dust. It's like they have tiny oil ninja powers. These bottles are multitaskers. From olive oil to chili oil, they'll handle it all. Want to mix wine or whip up your secret sauce? These bottles are your new best friends. And thanks to their anti-drip design, your countertops stay spotless. Finally, bonus points for the included funnel, brush, and labels. Because who doesn't love organized seasoning? These bottles make cooking clean, fun, and just a little bit fancy. Number 3. AOZITA Glass Olive Oil Bottle Dispenser. The AOZITA 17-ounce glass olive oil bottle dispenser isn't just a bottle. It's a VIP suite for your olive oil. The green glass? That's its sunblock, keeping the oil fresh and fabulous for longer. The black cap and inner cork? Think of them as the bouncers, keeping air and bad vibes out. The 18/8 stainless steel pour spouts are pure genius. They prevent drips, so you won't end up with an oily crime scene on your countertop. Plus, the dust-proof caps mean your oil stays clean. No mystery floaties here. Refilling is a breeze with the stainless steel funnel. It's so smooth, even the clumsiest hands, we see you, can manage without spills. And let's not forget how it helps you pour just the right amount. Because no one likes a salad swimming in oil. AOZITA's no-risk purchase guarantee means they've got your back. This bottle is your kitchen's new MVP, practical, stylish, and totally spill-proof. Number 4. LAKUMIQI Kitchen Upgraded Made 2-in-1 Oil Dispenser. The LAKUMIQI Kitchen 2-in-1 Oil Dispenser is like the James Bond of kitchen gadgets, sleek, multifunctional, and always ready for action. Its brown glass body isn't just stylish. It's a pro at blocking light, keeping your oils fresh and happy. Switching between pouring and spraying is a breeze. Open the buckle for a smooth pour or press the button for a fine mist. It's so easy, even your clumsy barbecue buddy can't mess it up. Plus, the built-in silicone filter ensures no sneaky residue ends up on your plate. With 8 fun stickers, you can label your oils, from olive to sesame, because mystery bottles are so last season. Whether you're tossing salads or grilling steaks, This sprayer makes every dish feel like it's at a spa day. Durable, safe, and oh so cute. The LAKUMIQI dispenser turns your kitchen into a cleaner, more artistic space. It's not just a tool, it's a vibe. Number 5. PLAPITATE 2-in-1 Olive Oil Dispenser and Oil Sprayer. Meet the PLAPITATE 2-in-1 Oil Dispenser and Sprayer, the Swiss Army knife of kitchen tools. Whether you're sautéing veggies or giving your salad a glamorous oil makeover, this gadget has you covered. Switching between pouring and spraying is as easy as flipping a pancake. Well, almost. Made from food-safe materials, its transparent glass body lets you keep an eye on your oil levels. No more mid-cooking surprises. The pump design creates a fine mist, so you can say goodbye to the oops, too much oil moments. It holds 16 ounces of your favorite oil and comes with an oil brush and cleaning brush, making cleanup a breeze. Even better, it keeps your hands clean, so no more slippery spatula situations. Pro tip: give it a few sprays before the first use. Think of it as a warm-up lap for your sprayer. With 24-hour support, PLAPITATE has your back, even if your soufflé doesn't. Thanks for watching this top 5 best oil dispensing bottles review. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below for you to check out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Reviews Heaven, and stay tuned for more reviews.